Welcome to Techilipart channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just go ahead and open up your browser. Then on Google, search for Download Visual Studio. Then from here, just open up the second link. Click on Download for Windows. Just wait for it to be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, just click on Open File. Then from here, select I accept the agreement and click on Next. Click on Next again. Click on Next again. Click on Next once more. Then just click on Install. Then just wait, it will install Visual Studio on your PC. Click on Finish. And that is how to download and install Visual Studio in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.